friends! Today I'll show you my bird paradise farmhouse. This is my little heaven, where I live with my bird family.
These are my lovely lovebirds at Sturban. So colorful and sweet. So tiny, so cute. These finches are like flying happiness.
My cockatiels are the best singers in the world!
Here is where the magic happens. Red. New baby birds are born.
This is my best buddy, Turler. He listens to all my secrets.
Feeding time is love time, Tout. We all share together.
Evening is the calmest. Birds say thank you with their songs.
Hope you loved my bird tour, Bray. See you next time, friends.